Welcome to Review Rumble. The best R4DS is probably one of the most versatile and exciting accessories you can get for your Nintendo DS or DS Lite, allowing you to play a vast library of homebrew games, emulators, and even watch videos and listen to music, transforming your handheld into a multimedia powerhouse that goes far beyond its original gaming capabilities. Number 5. Logitech G Cloud Gaming Handheld. Experience the future of gaming with the Logitech G Cloud. This portable console brings AAA titles right to your fingertips, no downloads or upgrades needed. Access your favorite cloud gaming services like Xbox Cloud Gaming and Nvidia GeForce Now. You can also download games from the Google Play Store for endless entertainment. Take your PC and console games on the go. Stream them remotely using apps like Xbox Remote Play and Steam Link for a truly versatile experience. Immerse yourself in a vibrant 7-inch Full HD 1080p touchscreen. And with over 12 hours of battery life, the fun never has to stop. Designed for comfort, it's incredibly lightweight for extended play sessions. Enjoy precision control with gaming-grade buttons, haptics, and gyroscope. This is the ultimate handheld for cloud gaming enthusiasts. Enjoy hundreds of games in stunning quality, wherever you are. What we like. Experience cloud gaming like never before with its exceptional battery life and crisp 1080p display. If you're looking for a portable device that lets you play AAA titles for extended periods without constant charging, this is the one. Its lightweight design ensures comfort during long gaming sessions, making it ideal for travelers or those who game on the go. What people say. The R4DS has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand. Its advanced features include a high-resolution touchscreen and a powerful processor for smooth performance. The device offers a long battery life, allowing for extended use on a single charge. Number 4. R4 SDHC Gold Pro 8GB microSD Kit. Introducing the R4 SDHC Gold Pro Kit. This 8GB microSD card is designed to work seamlessly with your Nintendo DS, DSi, 2DS, and 3DS consoles. It features full support for the latest system versions, including the updated 3DS and 3DS XL. You can also use it with your DSi and DS Lite. Expand your entertainment options beyond gaming. You can play your favorite titles, read ebooks, and run homebrew applications with ease. Turn your Nintendo 3DS into a versatile media player. It supports a wide range of multimedia files for your viewing and listening pleasure. Experience advanced features like real-time saves and user cheats. This kit includes everything you need, with an 8GB microSD card ready to go. What we like. Unlock a world of possibilities with this versatile card, complete with an 8GB microSD. If you want to play games, read ebooks, and even turn your console into a media player, this is a great choice. It offers real-time saves and cheats, enhancing your classic DS gaming experience. What people say. The R4DS has a sleek and ergonomic design that fits comfortably in hand. Its advanced features, such as the high-resolution display and responsive controls, enhance the gaming experience. The device boasts a long-lasting battery life, allowing for extended play sessions without frequent recharging. Number 3. R4 SDHC Gold Pro 32GB microSD card. Experience a new level of gaming with this powerful adapter. It comes preloaded with a vast library of games, ready for you to dive in. This device is compatible with a wide range of Nintendo consoles, including DS, DSi, 2DS, and 3DS families. Enjoy your favorite titles on multiple platforms. It supports NTR boot and comes with built-in action replay cheats for enhanced gameplay. Plus, enjoy the convenience of real-time save functionality. With support for custom firmware, you can tailor your gaming experience to your exact preferences. Make it truly yours. This package includes a 32GB microSD card pre-installed with the YS menu and over 500 games. Your next adventure is just a click away. Get everything you need for an enhanced gaming experience in one convenient package. It's the perfect upgrade for any gamer. What we like. Get ready for an extensive library with this 32GB card preloaded with 500 games. If you're looking for immediate access to a vast collection of titles and advanced features like built-in cheats and real-time saves, this is perfect for you. Its support for NTR boot also opens up possibilities for custom firmware enthusiasts. What people say. The R4DS card is compatible with the Nintendo DS and DS Lite, allowing users to play a wide variety of ROMs and homebrew applications. It features a user-friendly interface and supports various file formats, including ROMs, music, and videos, making it a versatile accessory for the Nintendo DS. The R4DS card offers a simple plug-and-play experience, requiring no complex setup or modifications to the console. Number 2. R4 2026 R4 XMP SDHC Dual-Core Update Adapter. Introducing the latest version of the R4 2026 R4 XMP SDHC Dual-Core Update Adapter. This advanced memory card adapter is designed for your Nintendo gaming needs. It's compatible with a wide range of Nintendo consoles, including the original DS, DS Lite, DSi, 2DS, and 3DS. Enjoy seamless integration with your favorite devices. Unlike many other adapters, this one features no time bomb. This means it will not expire on a certain date, ensuring long-term usability without forced upgrades. This adapter runs the R4 XMP kernel, a variant of the popular Ace 3DS Plus. Experience reliable performance and features with this updated kernel. Please note that a microSD card is not included and the kernel needs to be manually installed. Instructions and the kernel link are conveniently located on the packaging for a smooth setup. Get the most out of your gaming experience with the latest 2026 version. This adapter provides a durable and up-to-date solution for your memory card needs. What we like. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming with this adapter that features no time bomb, ensuring it won't expire. If you value longevity and want a reliable solution for your DS, DSi, 2DS, or 3DS, this is the one to consider. Its dual-core technology and latest kernel version promise smooth performance for your gaming needs. What people say. The R4DS has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its advanced features, such as the multi-stage filtration system, ensure clean and fresh-tasting water. The R4DS is incredibly easy to use, with intuitive controls and a simple setup process. Number 1. 2025 R4 SDHC Gold Pro Dual-Core Cartridge Kit. Introducing the 2025 R4 SDHC Gold Pro Dual-Core Cartridge Kit. This revolutionary device redefines your gaming possibilities. It offers wide-ranging compatibility, supporting all versions of the 2DS, 3DS, and DS series consoles. You can enjoy your favorite games on almost any device. This multifunctional cartridge allows you to play games, run homebrew applications, and even transform your console into a media player. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry. Experience a newly upgraded gaming journey with high-speed read and write capabilities. It enhances your gameplay and lets you create your own custom game cards. Crafted from selected durable materials with an oxidized and colored surface, it's built to last. This design not only looks stylish but also improves heat dissipation. This comprehensive kit includes a USB adapter and a 16GB microSD card, preloaded with 208 games. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 180-day warranty. What we like. This kit comes with a 16GB microSD card and 208 preloaded games, offering great value right out of the box. If you're seeking a convenient way to expand your gaming library across a wide range of DS and 3DS consoles, this is an excellent option. Its upgraded dual-core technology ensures a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. What people say. The R4DS has a sleek and modern design that fits well in any home. Its advanced features, such as the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, make it incredibly versatile. The product works flawlessly and has exceeded my expectations in terms of performance and reliability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.